And a fake thing come straight from yard.
So you mean said this them a crab I get visa before enough people?
Yes.
I joke this. Alright guys, welcome back to Soai. And you know, we there which part of the food there. Now in Jamaica, when it reaches around like April, May, June, you know what time it is. You know what season that is. That is the crab season. That's where all of the land crab them go because them want to breed and we just catch them. You understand? And we just put them in some nice seasoning and stuff. Now you guys know I've been in New York for a minute now. And I've just been looking for deep-rooted Jamaican culture along with other foods. And I found this page on Instagram. Actually, a friend of mine sent this page, well, a subscriber. You guys saw her in one of the last videos. She sent this page to me and she's like, yo, I think you're gonna like to check out this place out here in Brooklyn. And last week, we couldn't get no crab because the crab them done. You understand? I know, honestly, we shouldn't really tell about this place because if I tell you about this place, you guys are gonna come here and nobody else not getting a crab. All right, but anyway, I'm gonna show you what's happening here out in Brooklyn. There's crabs, there's saltfish, there's all of those things that some of you might be missing inside of the US that you guys can get here today in Brooklyn.
Jamaica crab real thing. And a fake thing come straight from yard.
So you mean said this them a crab I get visa before enough people?
Yes.
I joke this.
And they never take the border.
Them not take the border that visa.
Them crab that take the border.
Joke this.
Yeah.
Real authentic Jamaica land crab right here, so.
And we have the roast yam and saltfish in the
Roast yam and saltfish.
Yeah, come to look at it.
My friend said she come from Jamaica and never eat roast yam and saltfish. So she have to get a bus pan that. No, isn't that blasphemy? A blasphemy that man. You know, so them green banana they go nice though. Soak in all of the flavor of the crab, you know. Cook on all the scotch bonnet, pepper and everything, everybody. Yeah? Oh my, so what is this your name I know?
Chrissy.
Chrissy?
Yeah.
So you run off a thing out there, Chrissy?
We go on it.
Jano, when you guys start doing this?
You know, so since last year?
Since last year?
Since last year, it wasn't that popular, but now we kind of, thanks to TikTok,
People start catch on the thing.
And thing and over here, so.
Yeah. Watch and the saltfish.
And a roast corn.
Jesus. Guys, Jamaicans are out everywhere now.
Right, that is
Everywhere now, we are represent for food and our culture, you know. Roast yam and saltfish, you know. This was a classic thing out by Faith's Pen. Oh, look on that. The cross.
And we have a nice sauce, so we used to go with it too.
Mm-hmm. What you guys normally use for the sauce?
Like natural season, like onion, tomato, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, fermented seed.
Yeah.
Little ketchup, little vinegar, little sugar, you know, little water. Authentic.
I like. What I like is that the moment I reach out here, so I smell the food, you know.
And then come look right there, so you have a water and smell. So when you come here, you wash your hand.
Electronic.
We have the soap right there, so we cleanse the this, it's called the mess.
Straight. We like that. We like that. We like that. We like that.
It depends on the size of the chicken. It depends on the size. I'm coming from all the way in the Bronx, so I don't want to come and take it. I'm not making it done. Much time you tell me, I'm going to say I'm not making it done. Look at come on, man.
Tash, big up your damn self because you're the one who told me about this spot. You found it on Instagram, right?
Yes.
And you were gracious enough to share it with me, but we have a gripe to catch you though. You know, you not eat something there. You never eat saltfish and turn on your face.
I have never
roast saltfish and roast yam. How have you never roast yam and saltfish? See where I get corrected there. How comes?
I've never had it before.
Why?
Because I don't know. No special reason.
You have a passport in there, sir?
Look, this is all you need.
Cool, so you're a big crab lover, yeah?
I love crab. I love crab. Look at this. Look at all this goodness.
So what is your favorite part of the crabs?
Everywhere. Everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
One time I hear make a talk like say you love the what you call it? The abs.
What you call it?
Listen, ribs. Ribs. Yo, she said, look, she loved the ribs of the crab. I'm like, yo, the ribs, bro. She's talking about this, guys.
Oh my God, this part right there.
She's talking about this
That
part there, the
yes.
abdomen. She's no, this so.
Right. Oh my God.
She said the ribs of the crab.
Sorry, not your video. No, man, that's fine.
Ribs of the crab.
Listen, it's not my fault. I thought that's what it was. I thought that's what it's not my fault.
Crab ribs. Oh my gosh. Oh my
But
god.
anyway, today I'm definitely going to try the roast yam and saltfish.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Cool.
Definitely.
And we got the boss here, Alex. You see me? So Alex, you're born in Jamaica, but you live most of your life here.
Yeah.
Tell us about your experience with like Jamaican foods though. Your mom is Jamaican. So what is it like? Did you get like have you ever had crabs, land crabs before?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Cow foot.
Cow foot.
You name it, the whole spiel. Sprat.
Sprat? Yeah.
I love Jamaican food.
So what do you prefer, Jamaican food or American food?
Jamaican food.
Jamaican food. Which is your favorite one?
I like,
You gonna say oxtail?
definitely, but like, more so though, like fried chicken with the rice and peas with the oxtail gravy. And some hot sauce.
That's peak. That's peak.
Number one, can't go to, like.
Number one, cool.
I have to have that.
So let me ask you a question. If you start dating a girl right now, right? Is it a requirement for her to know how to, because we know enough yard man need them Jamaican food, you know. Is it a requirement or not really?
Not really, but you know, she really likes you, or you know, go her way, do certain stuff where you make you feel special and nice. So right now, my girl, she's learning how to cook. Like you know, she loves Jamaican food. She's not Jamaican, Yankee.
Has she ever made anything Jamaican? Yeah, she tried that.
Probably like some fried dumpling.
How would that work out?
It's getting there. It's getting there.
It's a thought. It's the effort that counts.
Yeah, you gotta start somewhere. I gotta cook my damn self too. I don't cook.
Okay, so what's the first thing you want to work on though for yourself?
Oxtail.
I heard you say that in the car.
Oxtail.
I think you basically got the recipe started off.
So I'm saying,
You got to start it off.
Her when she was cooking.
Nice.
Try to call me cook.
And your mom's a good cook?
Yeah.
You better say that.
Yeah.
You know you got to say it.
I'm not even lying. Good cook.
Top tier. All right, vibes, bro.
The vibes. I'll just taste a little piece. Thank you. This one?
You got the first taste of it. What is like?
Good.
It's good?
Forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, come downtown Kingston.
You hear me kind of coughing? It's a spice, man. Like you smell it in the air. So you know I said the thing.
It's a real deal.
Real deal?
Real deal.
Nice and good.
How's it, Alex?
No more egg. You gotta do the one. If one can't breathe.
All right, let me taste one of the legs.
Oh, he asked.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm so proud.
No man, I forget some crab. Thank you so much. Woo!
Spicy.
Woo!
Dead.
A pepper. This, yeah man. As it drop on my mouth, so woo! Yeah man. Yo. Man, I lie still, you know. This a crab I want taste like it's nicer than one I had, you know. No joke. I'm not playing. No, I really talking now. Guys, this crab is better than the crab in Jamaica.
Chris, your crab gone viral.
No man, Chrissy, big man thing. A crab, bro. This crab.
First time, right?
It's nicer than all right.
You said lime crab, right?
Land.
As soon as you put your mouth on the shell, the pepper hits you immediately. And you think that once you get the meat, it's gonna be spicy too. No, the meat part, it's sweet. The meat, it tastes like when you would catch crabs and you cook it right away. I don't know how them a crab get them green card or them visa and reach America and still a go and like them come from a yard same way. You know them you know them Jamaican them will come at America and never catch it one yet. Just always putter straight through. This is how this crab stay. Like you still there yard. And the meat is so sweet.
Oh, Michelle open the door.
My friend, Tash. This is nicer than one I had. No, don't touch it. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Really?
No, man.
Tastes really good.
It tastes really good. It don't taste like no knockoff crab.
Trust me.
You might not know the car problem.
It don't taste like no knockoff crab. It tastes real, bro. I like, I got enough restaurant over here and I say the food that tastes knockoff. It don't taste like a full 100.
Special crab she again. I'm gonna get a piece of this banana right here. But if you look in there, you can see the thyme, you can see the pepper, you can see the escallion, you can see the pimento. Like it's just a whole season of goodness. Now for me, I definitely prefer my crabs with green bananas. The moment I try that for the first time, it's really good. It's like the bananas usually just soak up everything from the pot, like the pot water, all the flavors. I'm gonna see if this one does it. The banana is just nice, it's spicier than the crab meat. The crab meat is sweeter, but this soaks up the peppers a lot more. Crab and banana is just the perfect blend. So, guys, if you're in the New York area, I believe it's on a Friday, on a Saturday, ensure that you get here by 1 o'clock. That's when everything should be good. It doesn't last. People are gonna know about this or learn about it more and more. And it's gonna be like back home where, yeah, because these crabs are coming all the way from Jamaica up here. So the supply is not gonna be a bunch of it, right?
You can get some on this side?
Even the skin of the banana is like, you could eat it. It is so flavorful, guys. It's really well executed. Good job, guys. Really good. So is our next spot I go on now?
Okay? You just want the crabs. Okay, bye. Get on my phone. Come on my phone. Telling me to hurry up and come. Listen to him. I keep saying hurry up and come. A crab, even a problem with crab. And a Jamaica crab. It's me, but I go mama. Can't see mama live over here. But no, not go back down there. Tell me business with him.
You know, say, he's a wicked girl. He hide off all of this saying, watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Look on the food. Look at the food. Look at the escovitch. Watch her. Look on this.
Come on, the country again for the crab. And I'm going to eat any shit crab no more.
Watcha.
Your bread here, that's a robot.
Watcha.
Don't have to eat any shit crab no more. Come mama, come put some crab in our bag and charge me there. You know, don't have to pay because this famous now. That's what they're famous. Oh, that's there. So, boss, what things say you move?
Me? What make your face up? Make keep it on your face because...
The girl in my Colombia.
No, you're gorgeous, you're beautiful. So tell me how you find out about this spot now. TikTok?
No,
TikTok.
Yes, I see them share up on TikTok. I said, where is this place? I keep texting in the thing and then somebody answer. But me just come from Coney Island. I said, wait, I see a lady with a bag. I said, no, the crab place, let me go find it right now.
I'm gonna promise you, I just have 2 of the leg them.
They good?
Bro, it is better than the crabs I've had in Jamaica. I kid you not.
No man, you're about my Caribbean.
No. Remember, you know, my friend, them crab I get visa, you know.
The crab them better than we have visa.
The crab them get visa and come up here, you know. So they are Jamaican citizens themselves.
Right?
You understand? But no, the spot, my friend, may you try one I leg them before she buy one, please, because I need to get her reaction.
No, when we boil it up here, my son said that to mommy, oh, you cook it different from the people, man.
I'm telling you, eat the crab.
It's not the actual Jamaican crab we cook. But if you get actual Jamaican, oh God, me like this. I check for this.
Watch this now.
Come on, cause the checking time over here.
Watch it, it's a squirt for me. I joke this. Juicy. Juicy.
Tagwan. 10 out of 10. Yes.
Juicy.
10 out of 10.
Juicy. Not a joke thing. We'll tell you how it is.
10 out of 10, guys. 10 out of 10. Beverly Hills and Utica coming right or so.
No, man, I tell you.
No, I have to buy a ticket for $780 to go eat a crab no more. Come right here. Yes, jet blue, no.
No.
Jet blue, grab you no $780 for eating a crab. Right just so Utica.
Trust me. Amazing things, man. Watch out.
She's telling her name is Peaches. Her name is Jenna. Oh, look at you. This way. Nah, she should put my crab in that bag. I said, no, man, have your one in that, man. Don't make me have, I feel like I'm in the sound like big fella, you know. Don't fuck. You ain't scream out before I'm showing it.
You smell the pepper and just in the air, right? Yeah, man, up. Trust me, everything get visa.
Because I don't see I get visa no crab. This serious. No, this serious.
Trust me, lad.
Dog gonna tell no crab come on New Year. I'm gonna check for this. Some of them are struggle with visa.
Oh my gosh.
Right now we can identify as a crab if we want, you know, so we can.
Yo.
We can identify as an onion if we want. Right now, my family have to go up at embassy go say they are a crab. They need a visa to come. Because dog I get visa, no crab I get visa. This year.
Yo. Tell me about the shrimp. Is that curry shrimp?
First, come tell me about the shrimp. Well, that's pepper shrimp.
Pepper shrimp. Okay. I need to try that too.
It kind of look like a sweet and sour type, right?
Yeah.
Or curry.
The sauce looks very rich. Very rich. Oh, yeah, give me a chayas.
What was that, sorry? Thank you.
Oh my gosh, look at that. This a crab, yo, shrimp, yeah? Mighty. Watch out. Shrimpy. We're gonna see if this shrimp can come even close to middle quarters. Let's be real, Jamaican food is top tier. So when we're in the US or anywhere, we're trying to get something similar. I told you once and I'll tell you twice, guys. The crab here, beat. You wanna meet try your yard. But I'm gonna deal with the shrimp right now. See it now, shrimp time.
I feel like they get lucky with the crab. Them win with the crab. But we're gonna see if the shrimp water, they have water. Let's see if the shrimp live. My heart out of hot, but not gonna lie. The shrimp is sweet, very tender, well done. It's not overdone. I love that boy shrimp. Close second to middle quarter. I think middle quarter is still average still. But look at the size of the shrimp. It's done right, guys. Juicy. It's not overcooked. Sweet. The spice on this is lighter, but the spice is there. New York, Brooklyn, for Jamaican is livable. We can't get the food here. We can't get the food here.
You want soda? That's water. Get your gun in this door.
I'm turning up on a walk right now because when we came here, we thought we didn't lose, that we couldn't find the place.
Oh, the shrimp go.
Shrimp good. I think milk water still great to look at it for the shrimp. You know, overcooked, sweet. Then you get shrimp? Yeah. They put them. Oh, let's take you guys on that walk so I can show you guys exactly where it is. All right, let's go. Right, so right now I'm on. Hold on. I'm on the corner of Utica and Beverly. That's where I am right now, right? It's a little tent that they have set up. So if you pass the corner, you might not see the tent right away. It's an orange tent. Maybe they might change it if you're watching this video a year after, who knows? So you're gonna see the Superior Stop Deli right there. And then you're gonna make the turn. And then there we go. You're gonna see the tent just down there. You might not see it, depending on if there's a vehicle parked up there or whatever, but trust me, the tent is here. Get here from like 1 o'clock and you're gonna see a tent. I really hope that they don't change it from being a tent and being outdoors and street food. I think the whole vibe makes it just unique and amazing. I hope you don't go in a store, you hear? I hope you have enough money to go in a store, but you never go in a store.
I understand the vibe. This vibes is chill.
The vibes here is just chill. You just roll up a nice little dumpling, them tell me what the soup is. The soup is going on?
Yeah, this is chicken foot and chicken soup. With potato, yam, dumpling, pumpkin, Irish churcho, carrot, the whole work.
Just the whole work. So, is it like you guys come out from early, yeah?
Yes, we're out here from around 10 o'clock. Set up, but we open at 1.
At 1.
Yeah.
So what start the business idea? What inspired you? What make you release the crab them from Jamaica? How did it start?
It started from last year when I bring them up, because everybody's talking about, like every time I go to Jamaica, I want Jamaica crab, I want Jamaica crab, I want Jamaica crab. So you know, say, I go down, I'm going to do my research. You understand?
Do the right thing.
Do the right thing. I'm going to make it happen. 1, 2, 3.
Never tell anybody the trade secret, yeah?
Never.
No.
And the funniest thing about it, I hope the person I watch that video here. You know, so somebody come today and ask me, and I tell them, so we don't give you that information.
No.
And the person say, you? I said, thank you. Crazy.
No, man. If you can't give them the thing there, you still don't pay $1 million right now. And I tell you, because the crab them sell off. So, tell me what the lady beside you now, right? Sister?
That's my aunt.
Your auntie?
Oh, okay, foundation. She's the one that started
Family
it.
business. Don't hide the beautiful face, man. Why you hide the face for?
She's the one that
Yeah?
started it. That's the foundation.
You can't hide the beautiful face, man.
Hello.
Oh, watch out. So, which one of these dishes is your specialty? Which one are you? The crab. So are you?
The crab.
So the whole time you make me a flirt with my friend over here, so and she carry the swing? Are you carry the swing?
The crab. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, so when did you start making crabs?
I'm doing this for years in Jamaica. I've been selling crabs for years back in Jamaica.
Ah.
But since we migrated, she came with the idea to sell crabs here. So I'm just helping her.
Yeah, that makes sense. Now tell them on the recipe. So do you cook with like a recipe per se, or is it just like taste or the ancestors talk to you?
The taste and the seasonings and the flavor.
Taste and the season and the flavor. Okay. Cool. And love. Never forget that for real. Never forget that for real. Trust me, man. The crabs are exceptional, guys. Like they really good, well executed. Your taste. You know, so I eat everything here though. I gotta eat everything here. Yeah, man.
You're supposed to. If you want to.
Oh my gosh.
All right then. Later.
Food.
When I be funny, I use the cocktail.
Food.
I want to make
Crab
that.
come out as a refill. They cook and come out in
And
refill.
refill.
Why you don't
Yeah,
call
man.
it? You want to call it?
Yeah.
You know, me like still, me not gonna lie, what I appreciate, especially as a vlogger.
They probably if you
I'm
call
not
it
too loud, no, only for loud
If you
music,
call
I keep it,
Simple.
I keep it simple. Yeah, me like that.
Some people are saying the music, but the music draws too much attention. You understand?
Oh.
We just have a peaceful life. Sometimes less is more.
True, exactly. You just want to come out here and just vibe, pick up your crab and
Yep.
move. I really talk, man. Real talk. Guys, Tash, pack up our bag and put your foot like that. Listen, tell you something. An expert crab eater knows he must eat it on the road right away. Right now. No carry go your yard and go make it raw up your yard. Eat it right here, right now. And then when your belly full, you buy more and carry it home. Yeah. That's what you have to do. She said she have corn, you know. She have corn. And
These things is
I
good.
tell you, man, the crab is amazing. So what a big claw right away. Yeah, man.
Can't see what it's about.
Yeah, baby.
That's what's up. Everything that you expect back home is here. So I learned about this a couple years ago. Even though I'm Jamaican, I learned about this a couple years ago, where you can have roast corn and you can have coconut that's soaked in salt. And it's supposed to complement each other very well. So if you're here, you're gonna get the full experience. The only experience here that you're not gonna get is Jamaica, but it's in, you know, it's in Brooklyn. Jamaica in New York. And I think what's the nicest part too, most of the people that are coming through are Jamaicans as well. You know, whenever you're traveling, or even if you live in a foreign country, it's just nice to see your country people. There's just familiarity, things that you understand that the other person might not quite understand. So it's a beautiful thing. Come out for the vibe. I'm not joking. There's like 10 or so people out here. About 8 past 2, people picked up their crab and stuff. This man over there so having big old pan full of crab. You know what I'm saying?
Grab the one of them a come, no bother with the excitement. No bother with the excitement. No bother with the excitement.
I know it's hot. Someone started off hot, man.
Oh, that's big. That is
So 2 seats in paper on the plane, you know?
exactly.
2 seats in paper
And
on the plane.
a first class in France.
Seat there. Nothing else but the best. So tell me about the pricing on the crabs though. Like how do you guys price them?
We have like
Go by the
from
size.
Go by the size.
yeah.
Okay, so that mampy you know, how much? $50 for him. Okay, cool. And the smaller ones would be like what? 30, 20.
Yeah.
So that's
It's like from 15 up.
From 15 up.
15 up. Got you.
Smallest one is for 50.
So the smallest ones for 50.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, tell me about the saltfish and
That is like roast salmon saltfish.
salmon saltfish.
The saltfish normally go in our sauce, so we'd like soak it, get rid of the excess salt. Yes, and then we pick it up in a special sauce,
Nice.
and then with the yam.
And how you normally
And
price
the
that
price
one?
is like from $25.
$25.
A serving.
Okay, cool. What about the same thing with the crabs? Curry crabs?
This is curry crab, and it's like, it ranges from $30.
$30.
You want to see the one where them say $50 for him? And for eat tomorrow. You know the difference of the woman and the man. It's the man one. You know, I look along something like penis. So we differentiate the crab then. I want 3 crab. What you want it? Oh, sorry, your ear share ball out. I never was one ear share. You want it? You want $20? I want $20 crab. $20.
25.
Oh, you're right, the price on the back. Turn on the back. Woman. I want.
25.
No, $20.
25, she said.
$20 crab. Don't know. 20. This is America. I have to buy steel and cement and black. Go back a yard.
Alright, watch out now. Me want a serving of this thing here. The saltfish.
I am. Hello?
So I'm super excited in trying the roast yam and saltfish. I keep messing it up, guys. So it's roast yam and saltfish. Never say roast saltfish and yam. So I'm excited about having that because it seems to be done in a different way. They seem to put a little bit more time and attention and detail into making the saltfish part of it, you know, the soaking of it and the special sauce that they have. So I'm very interested in trying that and seeing how good it is. I haven't had this in a long time. So let's see what that experience is going to be like. So far, everything that I've tried here has been spot on, has been really, yo, I can't say it enough, guys. Like, the food here is real. What do we even call this place, bro? Yard Style Street. Okay, the place name Yard Style Street Food. But when people in place understand name the food, I don't even know what in place name. The place is called Yard Style Street Food. Super amazing.
Want it?
Bring the crab down.
No problem.
This is for one pen. Okay? Crab them.
Sorry, baby. So I'm going to scrape this here now.
Yes, ma'am.
Crab them.
I like mine with the skin on, you know.
Skin going to stay on. We have to scrape off the black, you understand?
Yeah, man.
And make it stay like this.
Yeah. So now the chiffon butter.
Yes.
You're not joke, man. As in real chiffon butter or just butter? Yo, a joke this. You guys ensure that it remained authentic. Everything from here, I love it, man. Love it. What, stuck up again?
So it dry?
Dry and nice. Yellow yam.
So you have to pick a cup of soup on the house, yeah? Come with me now when you put up my face on that, that's send me the soup and bread, not bread. I want it straight, so bread, not bread. Alright, maybe that. How much is the first one?
110. $500 about it.
Yeah, man, get rid of her, man. Yeah, the sauce to the
How are she? How are you?
I say get rid of her. You think it's still alive?
How want to get rid of now?
You want more crab in it?
Hello? Hello? The sauce, the sausage.
That me want to see the sauce now. Oh, so that's the sauce.
Quick way right back them there. Right there, sir. Okay. I'm going to reach way on that now.
Yo. I'm gonna
drop him in there and make him soak a little bit.
I am dropping soap, man.
Right away.
Polo. I'm out of my earbud, man.
Grab around my sister.
Go on. Yeah, beautiful plate. Thank you. Look at that plate, guys. Oh, don't forget my chiffon butter. You know, we have to sexy that up, you know.
Where you put the butter? Where you put the butter? Look on the card set. I took the butter up.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, I'm going to something like
Come on. Tash, hold us onto a little bit. Oh, put it on. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Feature. Service. Watch out.
Look at that here. And go with the car.
Look how this has a glisten. Watch out. Pretty. Pretty. Yam dry, sawfish, salty, wet, juicy, everything together. When you put in a good plate together, there needs to be balance. There needs to be a little bit of sweet, savory, crunchy, tender. Colors. The colors are just beautiful, yeah? Colors are beautiful. You understand? I can't find the butter.
No, then I can't go for come.
And gone, it's have to go put on till it's ready. Because the butter have to go on it.
The kind of butter, Chrissy? You can come with it. This is good.
Yeah, and them crab up.
What?
Try to set you up then, my friend. Boom. Boom. Alright, first, what is? Hey, can.
Oh my God. This is yes.
Yeah, strip it for me. Yeah, please.
This tastes good.
It tastes good?
What?
Saltfish, though. I tell you, my friend, I help them with the recipe, them, you know.
I love it.
I help them with the business and everything, so I'm out here working with them today. Alright, try the roast yam, your first time. Give a back piece more saltfish, you know. Right away, my friend.
It's a little piece.
See that now? Watch out. Look how the corn is beautiful.
No, go on, man. No, man.
Food good, though.
Tastes so good. I love
So
it.
what is your impression? It's the very first time you're having roast yam and saltfish.
Tastes good.
It's really
I
good?
love it.
Yeah.
Y'all need to come here.
Right now.
Show them. Guys, missing out. This is so good. My first time and I'm not disappointed.
Nice.
It tastes really, really good. It surpassed my expectation.
Right. So if you never have it, me know Alex more never have it before.
What you mean? Never had what?
This.
Like roast yam
the
with
roast yam and saltfish.
Pretty sure I have.
Where you
Yeah.
can get that?
Alright, country.
Trelawney?
Oh yeah, with his pops probably. bro, I was up. What?
Okay, I'm joking. It's good.
Let me taste
Nice.
this now. So first it go like this. It's a coconut.
I never saw this before.
You never seen that before, right? Yeah, it's different.
Woo!
The vibe.
God, man. I don't want to leave out here. This is home.
Yeah.
Home away from home.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
telling you, no cap. It's really good.
Yes, sir.
Love it.
Guys, me out here sweat.
Pretty much we service again.
Do anything for good food. That's salt on the saltfish? Not salt, sorry, that's sauce. From the saltfish. I don't recall having that type of sauce from Fate Spin. But it is necessary. sauce has that tomatoey sweetness. A little bit of vinegar is in there. There was almost a little bit of a sweet escovitch type of vibe going on there. But then that just balances up that saltfish really exceptionally. And then it helps alleviate the dryness that the dried yellow yam has. Most Jamaicans will tell you they prefer a very dry yam. So it is a good balance. Very good balance. And then that light smokiness that you get from the roasting. Well done. This is a very good, pleasant surprise. Wow. Really good. Potato tomatoes are like a sush. You put on your bag with the crab like, oh, I'm gonna go home and yam this.
I know I was doing a big mistake.
When I run them, they joke about
Have it while it's still hot.
Yeah, I'm ready for your butter. Drop it right in the pan right now. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, so now we get with butter. The butter just sets it off. The butter was that missing element. You know, said the butter is very necessary. Come on. Yeah. Soup, chicken foot soup. Alright, there we go. It's good. Hot.
Rich. Rich and hot. Tastes really good.
The man a drink his soup like a real yard man, you know.
Tastes really
Man
good.
no want no spoon, what you?
Oh gosh, I mean like this.
A real yard. Thank you. My soup right there, so right now.
I pretend someone Jamaican and catch me.
Thank you.
My favorite part.
Where is it? The ribs?
Yeah. My crab rib.
Look at that. Yeah, that part of the crab is also my favorite part too. Yeah, the meat in there so nice and thin.
Everything got soaked in here.
Boy, the soup
Yes, we're outside right now.
just right. I'm not gonna grade it or try to compare it to anything because everybody's soup is a little bit different. But it has all the right things for a good soup to me. It's not long and it's not too thick. It's just in between. Jamaicans we're very strange with this. It's like 92 degrees out and we're drinking like piping hot soup. The soup is extremely hot. Just coming off of the hot coals there. You see me? A whole heap of meat is in the soup. Just meat everywhere. So it's a chicken foot soup, but I could tell that there's probably some parts of you know, chicken back or stuff like that in there. Give it more meat. It's actually burning my tongue because it's that hot. Not too salty, it's just at the right amount of sodium. And the spices in there are right. Not very peppery, but it's there, and you can see the pimentos on top. Them do them thing, man. Them really do them thing. No joke.
See, the room with them. One certain man will leave it and kill him something. Kill all the man.
Yeah.
I didn't know them things.
And the first him a call him.
Them don't know them now in the do the kitchen.
Come on, everybody.
So them not work, that not have a work for you. Yeah?
1054. You want one more of she? Alright. What about she? Alright. And baby? Like your vibes. Okay, daughter? You want water? Alright.
Like, I feel like a part of Jamaica there.
Of course.
Literally feels like there's a part of Jamaica here.
New York is the place.
Yeah, and what I like the most is not just the jerk chicken on the oxtail part. That's very cliche. I mean, it's everywhere. If I'm to be frank, not everybody does it well. To be honest with you, but this is unique. I don't see a lot of these spots here, and this is the first one I've ever seen or ever heard of. And not only is it unique, them lick the nail on the head. Matter of fact, them last the nail.
Everything feels good.
It's good, and it exceeded expectations. Like when my friend sent me the page and was telling me about it, I was just like,
Want to get rid of this?
well, come in here.
No, this is something.
Yeah.
Let me have it.
Yeah, give me a sale. 51704 347 5170491.
That's your Zelle, yeah?
Yeah, that's our Zelle. It's our contact number for our Zelle.
King, queen,
We got. What's the number again? 347 517 0491.
king, queen, and prince and princess. King, queen,
We are from the baby to the great grand.
king, queen,
That's right.
princess. And
Shakira? Yes, man. As long as you put in the Zelle and it come up, right, smarty.
AC50?
Yes, ma'am. Capital D?
I sent it.
Space?
She is professional.
Nice.
Very professional. And she's humble.
What's your name, darling? Taylor Harris. Got you.
Because I'm going to have one big crown and go put
Yes, mommy.
So I'm big crown. Come like her. I'm like you. Come here, bribe your heart, you know. Now laugh with you. I mean, I want to thump in your back.
My service is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Rich chicken foot
Mm-hmm.
and chicken soup
chicken for soup.
and chicken.
Hold on, hello.
Good afternoon, welcome.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Fish, roast salmon saltfish. Hello, chicken soup. Oh, how much you curry this again? Okay, and what else?
I'm sorry.
This is a female. The spot is broad. The male are more. This is a male. The male have the bigger claws, the female have the smaller claws. Only one you want, darling?
Yeah.
And you want the curry crab as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, so fix up this one, please. Put some food and some water on some. Thank you. 25 and...
Because last year I start, I tell you, say, but that's something I love though. Like I love cook.
So that's say the first year they kind of could be challenging, but it gradually just word of mouth gradually. Trust me, I tell you man, if the food continues to be the same and as I improve, no more back down up. I realize we must can say every 2 weeks, and I say more and more people, yeah?
Yes.
It's a good thing, it's a blessing.
Alright, baby, thank you. No, miss. Take a bag there. Put on trick us with that. Take care of what I mean. Hold it down, hold it down. One more? Yes, sir. We're going to sell out to them and wait for you to come back.
I tried Jersey where I come from, but
Yeah.
All right, so there's a few people who don't really understand the purchasing of crab or which one they should get or whatever the case is. Simply put, most Jamaicans I find over the years, they prefer female crabs. To differentiate the female crab, the underside, the abdomen is broader. And for the male, it's thinner, right? They prefer the female crabs because the female crabs have eggs. However, on the flip side, if you like the bigger claws, then you need to go with the male crabs. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I've been out here for probably about 2 hours just observing things. This is how I do my experiences. I just go out there and observe the people, their attitudes, their behaviors. And these are real Jamaican people who are doing their thing. They've been very polite, very respectful, very on the ball. But most importantly, the food tastes really, really good. If I'm to give a recommendation as to what you should get when you come here, definitely get the spicy crab. I think that is the benchmark. And then the second thing I would recommend, of course, is going to be the saltfish with, well, oh God, I keep mixing it up. It's roast yam with roasted saltfish. That is absolutely delicious. It's probably one of the best ones I've ever had. I've had some pretty good ones, but I like the rendition that they do out here. And of course, you know, they put tables out, or not tables, not just yet, but there's chairs out, there's benches where you can sit. They try to make sure that you're as comfortable as possible. But if you just want to put in an order, grab your stuff, you can do that. Of course, they do have Zelle. Do you guys have Cash App? Cash App, so the American people who don't walk with cash, or you might just by accident run into this place, you can Zelle, you can do a Cash App, either other way. Wow, I just saw a Cybertruck. It's my first time seeing this. This is amazing, bro. Tesla, anyway. Yeah. you guys can come out here and, you know, tune it into the vibe. It's really good food. I've loved it, the entire experience.
no, this is the other stuff.
All right, Chris, it's the question, Zine. I know crab is a seasonal thing, right? So between April to July, maybe. So you think you guys will be able to like still get crabs like throughout the rest of the year, like back your yard, or?
We can.
Okay.
Because we have our personal crab chaser.
Okay.
And some of them raise the crabs. So we have that
Lock.
under control.
All right, so if somebody watches the video in November, you could say that they could still come out here on a weekend and get some crab?
Because of the weather, I wouldn't be out here.
Oh, too cold?
Yes,
Too cold,
I wouldn't
too cold.
be at this location. I'll probably be at another location.
Cool. So they can definitely check out like your TikTok
And my Instagram.
and the Instagram to see
And
where you
Yard
might
Style
be.
Street Food.
Yard style street food. I'll put it up there. All right, cool.
It's when we're not cheap, we have the marker for testing money.
Yeah.
True, we know money.
Yeah, we in the street.
If you talk back to it, it's one real.
Yeah. In the street like the white light.
You're not it. When you hear that phone, you know what's very real. Paper, fake money, not give back the bounce back. When it's us, can't talk.
Come. Give it to me.
What's your dad? What price do you want? Show me the price you want. Show me the price you want and then the price.
Yeah, so I'm black like that price base. You laugh at me this morning over black, so we have customers. So say hi to my sister.
Hello, sis.
What's that is?
Sister, what you are going with things, man? Yeah.
The one,
Yeah.
You want $30 crab?
Where you say you have to show the birthmark. You know that is Jamaican.
How far? What is it? I just don't.
What a long time Jamaica, so you don't know nothing about the
2 years old.
Yeah.
Yo, we love that. What's it? Jamaica keychain, yeah, representing.
Who's this for you?
No, for it, mom.
Courtesy. Take a shot, put it in the bag. You gotta be discreet because we're on the sidewalk.
Oh my
So you
God.
know you gotta be discreet. Customer get a shot.
I saw them deal with your good my friend. Jaja. What is up?
You will take that shot.
Thank you.
Come here, take shots.
A shot.
You want to take shots? You want to take shots? Come here, let them suck the shots if you want to.
Work me at work. And the chicken be a jerk.
The job out.
Alex, take a shot with you.
From the top.
Pick up Uber.
There it is.
Where now say Uber Eats? Where you say? Uber Eats? No, you have to go on it. You have to go on it. You've been so beautiful to me, so you have to be on it. Yo, Uber Eats as well. I drew this. My side big, you know. Big business, not little business. Big B.
Big things, man.
Yeah, man. Chrissy, I never tell me say you have Uber Eats are going over here, so.
The way the demand is high. People who cannot come because we're not doing delivery at this moment.
Okay.
They send their Uber because you have Uber packaging now. So you don't gotta be an actual person in the Uber.
I know, so Uber package expensive, so there's a person.
cheaper.
It's cheaper?
It's cheaper than a person inside.
Really?
Yes. So all they have to do is just call me, place the order, send the Zelle, and then you just send the Uber package delivery. And then one more thing, we even ship in the US in a statewide, you know. We even ship statewide. If you look at the page, if you look at the Instagram page or the TikTok page, this is some customer Florida, North Carolina, New Jersey, Bronx. We ship all over in the US.
So, if you guys are watching this video, you don't know, say, oh, it's not only being in Brooklyn. Brooklyn, you get the real experience still.
Right.
But if you can't make it, you can get it shipped. Or if you can't walk down here or drive down here, so Uber Eats, just do the package thing, pay for that, do your Zelle.
Right.
Big business. Big business.
347. 347. 517. Hold on, 249.
Yeah.
Come on. Come. No, you might get one all I drink. No, you're right here with a tipsy again. Also, the back, get anything shot. Yeah. No,
Yeah.
you can't do that. That's cheating. No, we can't put pressure in. The one I know.
Yeah.
You see, that you come here so far, and me and my friend, you come here so. You can't pressure you neither. You worry about me? You take that look for one. The bright tea, something to kill you. I the pressure, something to kill you. Come on, you're in a dance too.
Really in a dance?
You're in a dance.
What a cup.
No, man, this too smart. No, but not like
No, this is good. This is good.
Ready?
Life and
Yeah.
prosperity.
Amen.
Life and
Prosperity.
Appreciation. Thank
Cheers.
you. Which is right. Yeah, you get your passport now.
The vibes here, exceptional. Feel like you're there, yard. Feel like you're there, yard. Feel like you're around family. And you know you're around good food.
No, they always want to come back. You can't be too rough for the customer. Yeah, baby.
So, you know them say give me food. But I can tell you, it's like the more the crabs go into that pot of water, that dark pot of water, it's like the more the crab flavor start building like throughout the day, like no joke. Because think about it, if you put 20 crabs into a pot, all those crab juices flow out into that water. You take out those crabs, you put another 20. It just gets deeper, richer, nicer. I'm just surprised at how fresh it is. And look at all the spices. You can see them everywhere in the plate. The skin of the banana. Edible too.
Look at this chicken. No burn. No burn.
That's one of talented man.
I put the sauce on it next. We're gonna put the sauce on it.
It. Yeah.
Stay tuned.
So when you start with the jerky and the chicken now?
Huh?
When you guys started doing?
Been for years.
Really?
Yes. But mostly we do catering. I would travel out of state. I was a traveling chef also. If you want like a catering or whatever. We do other things too. Curry goats, oxtail. But through crab season, we mostly focus on crab right
season.
now.
So how we go find you when you do the other stuff, them like the curry them also?
My phone number. You
Okay.
can call me, you can find me on Instagram at the same yard spot, yard style, street food. And the phone number is 347-517-0491.
Vibes. All right, so I'm the kind of person, I love vibing with people once I go to any food spot. Met a couple of you guys that passed through to get the food, so it's good that some of you already know about this spot, that it just popped up. But they're on the last pot of crabs, so I was supposed to give you the timing on that. I got here at like 1 o'clock, so it's like 4.5 hours later. The crabs are about to be done, and there's like a lot of other stuff. So the curry crab, I believe, is done. You know what I'm saying? Some of the stuff are going short already. Plus, they keep on putting more food on the menu because the demand is going up because people are finding about this place. And again, the food good. They insisted I wait to try the jerk chicken. The jerk chicken looks succulent. I'm anticipating trying that. I tell people all the time, I see a lot of Jamaican spots that are inside of the US. My honest opinion, some of them are a little bit watered down. They don't taste exactly like what you would expect from home. I do expect better from some of them, but I'm gonna tell you guys the tea on this jerk chicken, but everything else, I kid you not, has been Jamaican, authentic, right, and sometimes a little bit even better than what you would expect.
Woman, them have been egg, Chrissy? And if woman have been egg in the city, girl? No, I don't know nothing about crab. But them beat out. Them stretch out like when stretch out. You know when I do this? Bring us some food, please. Hi, good afternoon. Hi. Oh, my baby. Hi. Who is hi? No, bring it on this side. Can I get a jerk chicken up, please?
Yo, I'm making a stay, sir. Yo.
Follow them, yeah?
Some of the background chats are the best, I promise you.
They are last. Say yes.
Yeah. You don't have no food to take picture for watch out. Your food shell long time with her. They said to me, see ya shell all the shrimp them. I said, what?
Yo, the body of thing in the plate and the shrimp.
The shrimp no.
The body. Good.
Shell. Show them all the figure. Well red up, watch it.
Yeah, that's wow. You see, I get the one when I'm me again. The man catch up on video. I never know say you my crab, but my sister, I better come to co-worker. No, me I come to co-worker. That video. Yes. Hey, relax though. Me I co-worker.
me put bad price. Just made the house. Let them come from.
So what much I got? Remember? Crab. But you got to fit the good things to do. Put on some water. 120. I never know you there. How much place on my house? The street? That's crabby. We do work together. Selling crabs. Chrissy, yeah, mas.
God, years. Whatever we want a Jamaica crab.
Tell him now, tell him a crab where I come from.
Whatever we want a Jamaica what?
Crab do that.
What for money we want a Jamaica?
I don't say you know. I see the person that I come. I don't say you. Now I'm going to come hug you. Sorry. See? Co-worker link up.
Oh, Jesus. So when you come up, when you're talking about your plan,
a long time. Get her problem. Get her food. I Chris come sit down. We can't discuss something.
Is there a last I crab this?
I lost that.
Only I started some food when I do this.
Straight. Y'all go graduation and watch it. You see stunts? You have to step away from the juice and my dropping and watch it.
1 hour fridge are cooling, so. And the 20 minutes behind.
Yeah. Ciao. Bye-bye.
All right.
You too.
So our special sauce.
Jaja. Where's it? Wait, what's that? What is that glisten? Nice. So what inspired that sauce?
We're dealing with Americans, you know. And most of them like them chicken.
Kind of like a barbecue?
Right. They like barbecue.
Okay.
So that's what inspired the sauce. And when you do it like this, you don't gotta put no ketchup, no nothing on it. The sauce is already on it. So all we do now is just like a barbecue fry. You fry the chicken, you put the sauce on it, you put it back in the oven. So now we just jerk the chicken, put the sauce on it, and put it back on the oven.
And then go for it. No, I go like Chrissy, I do your thing what you say, no, man. Really, I do it. Because this chicken look good. Even without the sauce, it was fire. But with the sauce, trouble. All right, so I'm gonna wait a good little while to try the jerk chicken.
Right, Mr. Friend. All right, Mr.
Let me tell you. It's have a barbecue jerk vibes. It's have a barbecue jerk. Yeah. Jerk chicken and barbecue fry.
Chicken get good, yeah.
I mean, ask, man. Nice, man. Hey. I'm there. Come like. The meat tender. I'm not gonna lie, American chicken is normally soft. If you're gonna cook any meal with American raised chicken, cooks really quickly. So it's soft, it's tender on the skin. It's just so good. The coloring on it is perfect. And like you said, it's kind of fine-tuned to like the American taste with that barbecue vibe. So it's like a barbie jerk. This was absolutely worth the wait. Really good. Chrissy, you did it again. Did it again.
Alright. Not your typical jerk chicken.
Not your typical jerk chicken, but see where I go with it. Nice. If you're an American living in Brooklyn and you want to get an idea of jerk, I'll definitely know you're gonna like this. Jamaicans are weird people. Like, I kid you not. Just now, they asked me, like, she's like, yo, it's good, right? And I go, you could have asked, like, who does that? Like, we answer questions with questions. It's weird. We are interesting people, I swear. I think the only thing I never tried the escovitch fish. Not really a fish either like that, but everything else slaps.
Everybody knows that we're going to come out Thursday night and Saturday night.
Crispy. All right, people, so today was a really, really, really good day. Probably my best days in New York as it relates to food or anything that's a reminder of home. I've been away from Jamaica for about 8 months now, so getting some good Jamaican food, especially the crab, amazing. Again, my recommendations when you come here, make sure you're gonna get the land crabs. That is a talk of the town, but everything else was very, 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 very good. And the most important part, it's more like a culture, it's more like a family, it's more like a vibe coming here. You can get a couple shots, you could drink, you could talk to people, you could have food, you can catch up with just Jamaican culture, just having Jamaicanness around you. And if you're not from Jamaica, you can get to see how we vibe as people and what our food is like. You guys know, Jamaican food is top tier, the best in the world. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember, 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.